To hide an app from your app screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to add that app to the hidden app list. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Hide Apps on Home and App screen. Next, select the desired app you like to hide and then tap Done button. By doing this, the selected app will not be displayed on the home screen and app screen. Given to the function, hiding an app can be useful for privacy, keeping sensitive apps out of sight. It also helps declutter your screen, making it easier to find apps you use most. Plus, it can prevent accidental access or distraction, especially if you want to stay focused. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.